principal ma'am, teachers and all the dear friends and all the elders present here.
On behalf of Mappers Academy, I am Ishika.
I am Vedika.
And hearty welcome to all of you. Today we are here to perform Nukkad Natika.
भारत में नुक्कड़ नाटिका को लोकप्रिय बनाने का श्रेय सफदर हाशमी जी को दिया जाता है।
महात्मा गांधी जी की 191वीं जयंती पर उनके स्वच्छ भारत के सपने से अवगत कराते हुए आप लोगों को जागरूक करने आए हैं।
बाहर भी दिखाएंगे अपने घर वाले संस्कार, बाहर भी दिखाएंगे अपने घर वाले संस्कार, तभी होगा स्वच्छ भारत का सपना साकार।
नमस्कार भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आप सबके सामने एक सच्चाई लेकर आया हूँ।
सच्चाई? कैसी सच्चाई? तुम्हारी सच्चाई?
नहीं, हम सबकी सच्चाई। देखिए इस नुक्कड़ नाटक के जरिए।
अरे भैया यहाँ तो देखो क्या लिखा है। अरे भैया यहाँ पान टूटना बना है। अरे कौन देख रहा है?
मैं तो रास्ते पे जा रहा था, मैं तो भेल पूरी खा रहा था। कितनी गंदगी है यहाँ पे, सफाई पे तो कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देता। खैर छोड़ो, मुझे क्या करना। हम सफाई के लिए आरडब्ल्यू को ब्लेम करते हैं, सरकार को ब्लेम करते हैं, कर्मचारी को ब्लेम करते हैं, पर क्या कभी हमने खुद की गलती देखी है? ये देखिए। ओह शिट, आज स्वच्छ भारत अभियान और मैंने कोई पोस्ट भी अपलोड नहीं की। आइडिया। अरे भैया।
हाँ जी।
मैं ऑडियो अपलोड।
क्या?
क्या मैं अपनी झाड़ू ले सकती हूँ प्लीज?
हाँ जी। देखिए भाई ने आवेगी, फोटो खींचेगी और चली जाएगी। सारा काम तो हमें ही करना है।
थैंक यू।
क्या?
धन्यवाद।
अच्छा। अरे भाई जल्दी साफ कर ले।
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान।
उठा लो झाड़ू, उठा लो पोछा, पहुँचो जहाँ कोई न पहुँचा, कोई जगह न रहने पाए, हर जगह को हम सब मुकाएं। सपना यही है बस अपना, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है, भारत को स्वच्छ बनाना है,
भारत को स्वच्छ बनाना है, भारत को स्वच्छ बनाना है।
अरे अरे एक्सक्यूज मी, कहाँ डाल दिया आपने कूड़ा?
यही पे तो डालना था।
आपको दिख नहीं रहा, हम डस्टबिन के साइड में डाल दिया है।
क्या तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा इस डस्टबिन की हालत क्या हो रही है? इतने महीनों से डस्टबिन चेंज भी नहीं हुआ है, सारा कूड़ा इसमें से निकल के बाहर जा रहा है। अब अगर मैं कूड़ा अंदर डालूंगी तो उसका फायदा ही क्या होगा?
जी वैसे आपकी बात भी सही है और इसकी वजह से हमारे हाथ में मच्छर बीमारी फैलती है।
सुनो गौर से भारतवासी,
मिली आजादी अच्छी खासी,
लाभ हो इस आजादी का तब
स्वच्छ और साफ बने भारत जब।
तो देखा आपने, बात दोनों तरफा है। है? कहीं पर नागरिक अपनी जिम्मेदारी नहीं निभा रहे और कहीं पर सफाई कर्मचारी सिर्फ अपनी तनख्वाह पाने तक सीमित है। ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? कहीं पर पान खा के थूकना मना है लेकिन वहीं पर पान थूका जा रहा है। कहीं पर डस्टबिन नहीं है और है तो उनकी हालत बहुत खराब है, वो कई महीने से चेंज नहीं हो रहे हैं और कचरा उनके चारों तरफ फैला हुआ है। ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? डिजिटल हो रहा है ना इंडिया, स्वच्छता के नाम पर सिर्फ दिखावा आ रहा है, सेल्फीज अपलोड हो रही है, सफाई तो कहीं है ही नहीं। हमने अपने कॉलेज और स्कूल लाइफ में कई सारे प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं जो कि ज्यादातर सफाई से जुड़े होते हैं, पर क्या कभी हमने उसे अपनी लाइफ में अपनाया है? नहीं अपनाया। क्यों अपनाए? क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा। होगा तब जब आप बीमार पड़ने लगोगे, आपका परिवार बीमार पड़ने लगेगा। तो क्यों ना बीमारी आने से पहले उसकी जड़ को हटा दिया जाए, हर जगह सफाई ला दी जाए। कहते हैं कि एकदम में बहुत बल है, तो क्यों ना ऊपर यहाँ दिखा दिया जाए और भारत को स्वच्छ बना दिया जाए। तो आगे आप देखने वाले हैं कि कैसे आज के आदमी इतना ढीठ है, सरकार के मना करने के बावजूद भी, घर में शौचालय होने के बावजूद भी वो बाहर जा रहे हैं। और बाहर तो जा ही रहा है, साथ में पानी को भी गंदा कर रहे हैं। वो पानी जिसके लिए कितने लोग तरसते हैं, देखिए। ओ भाई रुको, कहाँ जा रहा है?
अरे भाई तो जानते हैं
ओ तेरे घर में शौचालय बन गया, कहाँ जा?
भाई, खुले में शौच करने का तो अपना ही एक अलग मजा है।
खुले में शौच को हटाना है, शौचालय को अपनाना है।
नहीं सुधरेंगे, 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 नहीं सुधरेंगे।
राम 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 राम। जय गंगा मैया की। ये बदबू कहाँ से आ रही है? ये बैठा इन्हें यही जगह मिली, गंगा घाट पूरी सारा बिल्कुल। ओ देख करने में इतना मगन हो रहा है, इसे आवाज भी सुनाई नहीं दे रही। ओ भाई ओ,
अरे पंडित जी, बस 2 मिनट रुक जाओ।
2 मिनट रुक जाओ। हैं तो ये सारा बैग है, यहाँ कर जाएगा, सारा पानी गंदा हो जाएगा। जो लोग इसे स्वच्छ मान के अपने घर में लेके जाओ, उनके घर बीमारी जाएगी। तू यहाँ बैठते हो कर रहा सारे, इतने लोगों के घर बीमारी जाएगी। अपने आप तो बीमार होगा, और को भी बीमार करेगा। अरे अपनी कह रहा 2 मिनट, तू खड़े हो रहा नहीं, तू खड़े हो रहा अपने
जा रहा, जा रहा, जा रहा।
कपड़े सुखा लेती हूँ। आज ना मैं कूड़ा शर्मा जी के घर पे फेंक के आती हूँ। ए क्या कर रही है? मेरे घर के बाहर की कूड़ा डाल रही है। तेरे को शर्म नहीं आई? रुकने भी बता। कौन डर रहा है फिर से? तेरे को शर्म नहीं आई मेरे घर के बाहर कूड़ा डालते हुए? तेरे शर्म नहीं आती? तू मेरे घर के सामने रोज कूड़ा डालती है। अब मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, तू ही उठाएगी, तू उठाएगी, तू ही उठाएगी, तू उठाएगी, तू ही उठाएगी। तू नहीं, तू नहीं मैं, सदा ही करते तू मैं करूँगा ही कोई ऐसा काम बढ़ाए जो देश का नाम, देश का नाम, देश का नाम। देश की धरोहर पर है सबका अधिकार, फिर क्यों है इसकी सफाई से इनकार? सफाई से इनकार, सफाई से इनकार। नहीं है कोई बड़ा उपकार, बस करना जीवन बदला। गाँव को मान के घर अपना, निर्मल स्वच्छ है इसे भी रखना, इसे भी रखना, इसे भी रखना। कूड़ेदान में फेंको कूड़ा, हर जगह फेंको कूड़ा। थूकने को नहीं है धरती मैया, बदलो अपनी आदत भैया, बदलो अपनी आदत भैया, बदलो अपनी आदत भैया। ना करो किसी पड़ोसी का इंतजार, देश है सबका, बढ़ाओ स्वच्छता अभियान, स्वच्छता अभियान, स्वच्छता अभियान, स्वच्छता अभियान। जय जवाहर।
Good morning everyone, this is Anshika.
This is Dev.
We are here for narrating a skit, so let's start. Scene 1. The girl is sitting on her wheelchair. Her mother and father are going to their office. She wishes them, they said, bye dear, and moved. Scene 2. The caretaker enters the house. She comes to the girl. She misbehaves with her. Take it. Is it sufficient for you? Then she goes back to the kitchen. Scene 3. Mother and father comes back. The caretaker comes. She arranges chairs and behaves very nicely with the girl. She sets table for dinner. She serves food. They all had dinner and goes to sleep. She takes the girl to her room. Scene 4. After few days, mother was reading book in her room. The caretaker comes to her and asks, "Ma'am, I have to visit my village." "For how much time?" "For 1 month, ma'am." "Okay, you can go, but after 2 or 3 days. Scene 5.
Listen. Listen, we should hire a new caretaker for a month for our child.
Yes, surely we should. After few hours, the doorbell rings. Mothers, open the door. "Ma'am, I am the new caretaker you hired." "Okay, please come." "This is the girl you have to take care of." "Okay, ma'am, I will try my best." Scene 6. "Good morning, dear. Are you fine? Have your breakfast?" "We are going to office. Take care of her." "Okay, ma'am, of course." After few days,
This caretaker is much good. Should we keep her on the work permanently?
yes, I also noticed we should. Scene 7. The old caretaker comes back. She rings the doorbell. The new caretaker opens the door. "Who are you?" "I am their caretaker." "No, I am their caretaker. I am working here from 1 month." "Ouch!" "What happened?" "She pushed me." "Ma'am, she is saying that she is the caretaker." "Yes, we hired her a month before. You should go." "I will see you." Scene 8. After 1 year, the girl started speaking and walking a little much. She goes to her mother and told her, "Mom, my old caretaker was very bad and dishonest. She was so rude, but the new one is so good. She is very polite and honest. That's why I am recovering." "Okay, dear, get well soon." Scene 9. One day, the caretaker was cooking food. The girl called her. "Listen." She went to the girl. The old one entered the house and adds poison to the food. But the mother was going to the kitchen. She saw her and shouted, "What are you doing?" and caught her. She said, "Call the police." She was adding poison to the food.
Hello, police station. I am Madhur. Please come fast. Here is an emergency.
Police came. Yes, what happened? Arrest her. Why should we arrest her? She was adding poison to the food. Police arrested her.
Honest people don't hide their deeds.
Honesty is the first chapter in the book of wisdom.
No legacy is so rich as honesty.
Honesty is the best policy. Truth never damages a cause that is just.
Now, I'll tell you the summary of the skit. The summary is, the old caretaker was not honest about her work, as you saw.
Scrolling through her social media. She was so focused in her phone that she didn't even bother to look for the truck, and the truck hit her. Help! Help! Oh my god, an accident happened. Let me click a selfie to post it on social media. Oh god, look at the girl. She's less bothered for the accident and just clicking the pics.
Oh no, she's trying to help her. Yes, I think she was posting the picture so that her family members could get the information about her accident. I think she just not just click selfie, instead help the girl. I don't think so. What you're saying is right.
She is right.
No,
I think
you're wrong.
she just clicking.
You are wrong.
Wait. Don't waste your time here. Come to my show and represent your views on social media.
Okay, let's go then. As you could see there, the girl was posting the picture so that her family members could get the information of her accident. Also, being students, social media is very beneficial for us. We can get a lot of information from there. If we have a sort of doubt, we can search that particular topic and clear it easily and quickly. As also in the pandemic period as well, if there would not have these social media apps, our studies would have stopped completely and there would be a huge problem.
Yeah, I agree that it gets updated, but there is also cause of fake news. We already know how much mobile screen affect our eyes. One of the form of social media is fake news. How many times you came across fake news? A lots of times, right? Sometimes it is one of WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, like this has happened, but it is actually never happened. So it's really wrong.
I don't think so. That is the case of just sometimes, and instead it can be used as a great source of entertainment for all of us. I think there are many apps like Instagram, YouTube, etc. that can be used as a great source of entertainment. So I think social media is quite beneficial as well.
Then what about the wastage of time? Our time always get wasted. You know what? How precious time is for us as being a student, and we are just scrolling the reels. Then what about the time management? We are just wasting a time.
Yes, I agree, Simran, but social media cannot always be a waste of time. There are online jobs and many business startups that can help you to earn money while sitting at your home. Many people are engaged in these businesses and even earn profits. Social media can be a waste of time for someone, but it is not the same for everyone.
Yeah, I agree. It gives in many different ways, but we already know how much mobile screen affect our eyes, spending time in front of mobile screen, right? Mobile screen can actually cause a lots of many eyes problems, like our eyes get weak and another things can happen. If we become obesity, it's also occurred due to lack of movement. Earlier, due to know that entertainment methods, people used to play outside and spending time with family and friends. But nowadays what happened, people don't go outside and they did not spend time with family and friends. They just sit with our mobile and as usual start scrolling.
That is true, Manasvi. But I think there are some other people as well that are working hard on social media to create content and pursuing as a content creator. They are earning profit as well. And they are representing their ideas and thoughts, their creativity to the world, and people are actually liking them. So I think social media is a great way to represent your ideas to the world.
Let me correct you, dear. Have you ever heard about the term cybercrime? You know what? How cybercrime is spreading around us, as internet is a very huge platform. So lots of harassing, threats, bullying are happening, and we all get affected by all these. So we have to make sure it's totally depend upon us whether we are using social media as a front or as a pawn. So stay alert.
Being a person of integrity does not mean perfect, it means being authentic. A very happy morning assembly. My name is Anushka from class 11th Commerce. Today we the students of class 11th Commerce and Humanities are going to present a skit on integrity. Before presenting the skit, I would like to introduce you all with the meaning of integrity through a poem. Live the life with integrity, make the world more beauty. True to yourself and have the courage to face the life with boldness. Be stand up what you believe, see the change what you dream. Be open and be honest, always comes with inner wholeness. Do always the right things even if no one is watching, as integrity is everything. Honesty, the rarest wealth, carry this character till the death. Live the life with integrity, make the world more beauty. Let's live with truthful life, not which is easy, but what is right. Now I would like to welcome the students of SKET.
Get and freshen up. Oh Mom, it's too early to get up. No, it's not. You should help me in household chores. Stand up and throw the garbage outside in the dustbin. Also, make sure that you throw it in dustbin only. No one is here to watch me. Why should I bother myself to go there to throw the garbage? Let's just throw it here. In this part, you have seen that the girl threw the garbage on the lane rather than throwing that in dustbin because she thinks that no one is watching her. Now, let's move to part number 2.
Father, can you please give me a phone? I have to complete my homework. Okay, you may take it, but make sure you use it wisely. Yes, Father. Now Father is not here to watch me, so I just continue playing game.
2 hours passes and the boy forgot to complete his homework. This part, you have seen that the boy does not complete his homework because he gives priority to game as he thought that father is not watching him. Let's move to scene number 3. In this scene, some students are going to school in their school bus.
Hey, no teacher or elder is here to watch us. Why not do something interesting?
Yes, no one is here. Let's do something.
Let's bully him. He's sitting over there.
All the students start mocking an innocent child. See, you have seen that the boys mock an innocent child as they thought no one is watching them. Let's move to scene number 4. In this scene, students are giving their test.
Hey, have you completed your test?
Yes,
Then show me the answer when teacher is on the other side.
Okay, I will. They both start cheating. This scene you have seen that how the students start cheating as they saw that no one is watching them. 5. In this scene, all the students are approaching to their class. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very important quality, integrity. It's about doing the right thing even when no one is watching.
What's integrity? Sounds like a big word. It's like being honest and doing what is right even when no one is watching.
Yes, it's about making the right choices even when it's tough. But why integrity is important? It's the foundation of trust and respect. When we act with integrity, we build a strong relation and create a positive and supportive community.
So how can we practice integrity in our daily life?
We can start by being honest with ourselves and others, taking responsibility for our actions, and treating everyone with kindness and fairness. Make integrity a part of our everybody's life. I create a school where honesty and respect thrive. I hope you all understand my point and will follow this in your life. Teacher leaves the classroom and students realizes their mistakes. Feel sorry for the actions they did as they are violating integrity. I am the girl who threw the garbage on the lane, not in the dustbin, because I think no one was watching me. But from the teacher's lesson, I realized that I violated integrity and I should not do that.
I am the boy who was misusing the phone rather than completing my homework because I thought no one was watching me. From the teacher's lesson, I realized that we should be honest to our elders.
I am the boy who bullied an innocent child. I realized that I have done a wrong action. My action is against integrity. I am sorry. I promise that I instill integrity in my character. I am the boy who cheated in test. I realized that I should not do that as I broke the trust of my teacher. We all realize the importance of integrity.
Remember, integrity isn't just a word, it's a choice we make every day. It's about being true to ourselves and to make the right choices and make our school a better place. Thank you.